Sometimes, the most important journeys don't take us far at all, just a few steps slower and a little closer to someone who needs us. The day Emma slowed down. Emma loved to move fast. She zipped down sidewalks on her bright blue scooter, her braids flying behind her like little racing flags. Every day felt like a little race, and today the park was waiting. "I'm going to swing so high," she shouted to her mom, who walked just behind. The wind was warm, the sky was full of light, and Emma couldn't wait. But then, just as she turned the corner at the edge of Maple Lane, she saw something that made her slow down. Mrs. Maple, the gentle lady who lived in the cozy corner house, stood by her gate with a paper bag full of apples, her hands shaking gently as she tried to lift it. Emma touched her foot to the ground. Her scooter rolled to a soft stop. She looked back. "Mom," she called, "I think Mrs. Maple needs help. Can I stop for a bit?" Her mother caught up, smiled, and looked at the scene. Mrs. Maple gave a small wave and a warm smile. "If you'd like, we can help her together," her mom said. Emma nodded and parked her scooter by the gate. The bag was full of shiny red apples, fresh from the tree in her yard. "I was hoping to bake a pie," said Mrs. Maple, "but these arms aren't as strong as they used to be." Emma's mom gently placed a hand on the bag. "We'd be happy to help, wouldn't we, Emma?" Emma beamed. "Of course." Together, they walked into a kitchen that smelled like cinnamon and sunshine. Emma rinsed apples. Mrs. Maple peeled them slowly, carefully. Her mom set out the plates and hummed a soft tune. They chatted about clouds and cats and the time Mrs. Maple rode a bicycle too fast down a hill. Laughter filled the room as the pie baked, sweet and golden. Emma didn't feel in a rush anymore. They sat with slices of warm apple pie, watching the trees sway gently outside the window. She would go to the park a little later today, but something better had happened first. Something that stayed in her chest like a warm light. And the next time Emma saw someone moving slowly, she didn't race past. She slowed down, too, to notice, to care, to help. Have you ever stopped what you were doing to help someone? How did it feel inside? What do you think it meant to the person you helped?